Oh, Junior. Where you are? You're in the city.
Good morning, chickies.
We're in the country.
Good morning, chickies.
Oh, Junior.
You guys got it? He won't escape. Look, yours makes noise.
Yeah.
Hi, chickie.
Yeah, what chickie? Cute.
You think so?
Yeah, he's a little escape. Would you like to see how cute he is? Should I go see mine? Yeah. Thank you.
Gentle with them. Be very careful with it, Otto. You got him comfy? You want me to help you adjust him a little bit?
Look at these animals. Yeah. I think I can feel his bones.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
They're very fragile when they're so little. To get a better photo, the garage wasn't doing it for me.
That chicken just keeps taking stuff. Anybody want the root? Anybody want the root? Wow! Better than the boys.
The boys, actually.
Well, the boys taste better than the girls.
So look at him poking his head out. He's like, wait, I'm confused. I thought it was bedtime.
But it's pet time instead. It's pet time.
You little chickies.
The hen? You see the difference? See, the rooster has that part on the...
Got it? Got it? Do you have it comfy?
Wow, look at that. Otto's got the hen all by himself.
Daddy, look. I wish I could hold the hen.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a piece of glass. Probably from the burn.
Oh, wait. Don't stand.
Say hi to him. Say how was your day? Oh, they look a little bit scared, these ones. You know what? They might not be wanting to be held yet. Let him get a little bit relaxed.
He caught him all by himself. He chased him down.
Look at you. You little farmer.
Yeah,
Okay. Another part.
I want to hold it. I want to hold it. Me too. I'd raise Otto.
The chicken.
People can't fly.
Oh, look, the chickens are running. Do you think they're feeling a little bit afraid, you guys?
Yeah, let's not get them too afraid. If they really get upset about it, we'll leave them alone.
Did you catch him?
Yep. I want to catch one.
Hold him so he feels safe.
So pretty. Yes, it is. You know how fun is petting them.
Next one, he was okay.
Yeah, he has a big mohawk. He has a giant one.
Doesn't he? It looks like he likes you.
And Max was also holding it, the same one.
I bet he likes Max too.
Max put him down so gently. First he was very comfortable with me, but then he was more than.
Stay.
Kind of fun though. I know, but I can catch one.
She's the one that also has...
I don't think Grandpa wants you in those though.
Fine.
But you're okay on the other one. Almost. Yeah?
No, we don't throw rocks.
Noah's in the back catching another chicken.
He has a friend. You know what I named him? Brown. I named him...
Want to help your brother catch a chicken, Owen?
He's gonna relax. Almost going to sleep.
Oh, that's so nice.